Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be a resistance fight versus Omapek and Diesel with Nokia and Koyadet. Nokia, the legend, the noob, he's back. Nokia is reborn, guys. Okay, let's move to the container collection part. Has resistance. They got like about 60% of the containers here. Okay, they both are doing pretty well in collecting those containers. Okay, here it goes. And Nokia is the yellow player here and his partner is the red player. The both enemies are really tough. I know, I am a Confederation player. I used to play with them. Okay, let's go. Let's see what will happen. It's my first time recording resistance fight. If there is any mistakes, just forgive me, guys. And our legend noob Nokia is coming back again and going to bang a lot of Confederation asses, including mine. I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, let's go. Nokia is being very clever here. He's scouting with one coyote there, and it was really neatly done. And the green player was preparing himself to go for HQ level 4 there. Okay, again two coyotes are there. Okay, Nokia is being very smart here, placing mines in front of his base, so that if an attack with JCP army fails, the enemy army will be marching into his base without knowing that, and all the units are gonna die. The Vertex Scout came and it revealed what the red player has. Okay, let's go. And Nokia is now slowly switching to HQ level 4 in order to produce chameleon, jaguars and porcupines. Okay, and his red partner is being good and he has some hawks to support his army. That's really necessary versus two Confederation players who are playing Avia. Okay, Nokia has a nice set of minefield in front of his base that will block the army units or make it less tanky. Okay, red player is being very smart here, seizing up his Jaguar there. I'm sure he's going to like skip a bombing run there. And here it goes. Yes, that Thor bombing run was a failure. Okay, now he's moving into the base, being very smart and seizing up his Jaguars and killing those Sus very neatly. Sus are blind there, and that Thor bombing down was a little bit solid. It almost like destroyed a lot of units inside the fog. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, now the fog is dead. Sorry guys, and the Vertex are now fishing all the units which are revealed. Okay, now Nokia is slowly moving in with his ground army, and that is a lot of Sus, like a lot of Sus, and he has Thors as well, very dangerous. And the red player is being very annoying with his two Jaguars there, but Vertex got those Jaguars swallowed. Okay, now the green player seems to be decent with his force firing skills, and he's force firing pretty decently here. But Nokia is in a very good concave there, and it is very hard to break. So it's a very nice concave, and that Thor bombing run was there, so he need to move his units around the map to miss those bombing runs. Okay, now the red player has Albatross. Oh, that's really nice. You can go for the airfields. Okay, the red player is under immense pressure here, and the blue player managed to destroy a level 3 Avia factory, and that was a solid bombing run. And I think there was a cyclone above that glyph, that's why those units were revealed. And now the Sus and Shield will outnumber the army inside the fog. Okay, need to retreat, but the enemy can counter attack here because the minefields are in front of his base. That's not gonna happen. It's really hard. Like in my opinion, they should have both defended with rocket towers, walls and everything. They should have defended and camped. That was that must have should they have done, but it's a different story now. It's going for the airfield. Okay, we managed to destroy the airfield, and another revenge from the Albatross managed to destroy an airfield of the blue player. Very nice. It's really nice. Okay, the Vertex managed to kill those Albatross. Albatross are a little bit slow, and another bombing run. the blue player is being very annoying and putting a lot of pressure on the red player there, but they didn't counter attack. They didn't attack at all. They were just defending. And the green player doesn't build any walls or they block their entrances. Another bombing run that pathetically failed. Okay. And they are moving their armies 2 and 4, the resistance guys. All the resistance players must do that in order to avoid effective bombing runs. Okay, there is only one rocket tower there, and the red player managed to break into the base of the green player. Okay, that's really bad. They should have built some walls there. Okay, the blue player is coming to help his partner, but that won't work. This is a lot of units here. It's a lot of number of units here, and the Zeus are outpositioned and outnumbered here, and they'll die. Okay, and pretty much that's gonna be GG for the green player. Great fight, Commander. But you know, resistance is Imba, and Nokia is the new king, man. You can resist him. Oh, okay, and blue player is helping his partner with 7 Zeus and I think one shield generator will come. Okay, but the Jaguars are in a very nice concave there. They'll outrange the Zeus no matter what. And here it goes. The green player should have built a construction yard there in order to spam walls, but he didn't. That was a big mistake. Okay, always in these maps, you can't resist the resistance, guys. They'll go full land army and attack you from multiple sides. Really annoying. Okay, let's go. And they pretty much that's gonna be it for this game. Like, they're gonna gangbang on the blue player as well. And if you like the video, like, subscribe and share, guys. I'll upload more resistant content as well, especially my friend's Nokia's video. Don't forget to check out Nokia's channel. The link to his channel in the description below this video at the end. Okay, and he's a very experienced resistance guy, and I always like to play with him. And he's also a Confederation player as well. His channel contains both resistance and Confederation streams, so that it will be very useful for you guys. And the enemies at this time left the match, and it's gonna be done, and they are nicely cleaning up those base. And thank you so much again for watching, guys, and bye. I am signing off.